Why and how to set up a manufacturing business for disposable plastic syringes. Market demand and opportunities. Market demand. The disposable syringes market is witnessing significant growth due to several factors. 1. Increasing healthcare expenditure. Rising healthcare spending globally is driving the demand for disposable syringes. 2. Growing prevalence of chronic diseases. The increasing incidence of chronic diseases necessitates frequent medical interventions, boosting the demand for syringes. 3. Government initiatives. Supportive government policies and initiatives to prevent the spread of infectious diseases are promoting the use of disposable syringes. Startups can focus on developing eco-friendly and biodegradable syringes to address environmental concerns. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.